What's the meaning of CIA? CIA. CIA.
CIA. CIA. CIA stands for Central Intelligence Agency. It is a civilian foreign intelligence service of the United States federal government. The CIA is responsible for gathering, analyzing and providing intelligence to policymakers in order to help them make informed decisions related to national security. The agency was created in 1947 and operates under the direction of the Director of National Intelligence. The CIA has been involved in numerous covert operations and intelligence gathering efforts around the world, making it an important player in global politics and international relations.